Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris welcoming you to another Proto Tech Tip, and for this week we've got more exciting updates to share about our in-house CAD design software. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. So two things in case you missed last week's exciting news. One, we're thrilled to launch ProtoSpace Designer, built for our aerospace customers. And two, both Protocase Designer and ProtoSpace Designer now support designing machined parts, which the latter is what we're focusing on today. Now, for years, Protocase Designer has been your go-to software for effortlessly designing and ordering sheet metal parts, brackets, enclosures, and panels, all within minutes. Now you might wonder why we introduced ProtoSpace Designer for our aerospace division when we already have Protocase Designer. Well, at Protocase and ProtoSpace MFG, our goal is simple: to make designing, manufacturing, quoting, and ordering as effortlessly as possible for you. With ProtoSpace Designer, we make it easier for aerospace engineers by offering customizable templates for avionics and controls enclosures, panels, and as well as mounting and support brackets. When you begin a new file on ProtoSpace Designer, these options will appear as shown here. Now, we understand that many of you prefer machined parts over sheet metal fabrication for its ultra precision. That's why we've enhanced our design software to now include the option for designing machined parts, giving you even greater flexibility and control. And the entire process is as simple as designing the sheet metal parts. So let me guide you through the process now. First up, when you go to either Protocase Designer or ProtoSpace Designer and start with a new file, you'll see machined parts as an option now. Selecting this option provides you with a customizable block to start your project, and you can choose between aluminum or stainless steel as your material and adjust the block's dimensions to suit your needs. You can also specify ITAR or Canadian controlled goods under design classification for jobs that require it. If you wanted to finish your part with chemical conversion coating for aluminum or passivation for stainless steel, you have the option to select that here as well. Now that you're done with the basics, you get to see the block in a 3D space. And then the fun stuff begins, when you begin customizing the block to create the exact part or enclosure that you need. You can do so by adding sketches to the block. Okay, so think of a sketch like a drawing on a 2D shape or on paper. In CAD software, a sketch is created on a flat surface, like the face of a part or a base, and consists of lines, circles, arcs, or other geometric shapes. The 2D outlines are the foundation for creating 3D features. You might sketch a circle to define the base of a cylinder, or a rectangle to later cut out a pocket into a part. So in the 3D view, you need to first select the face which you want to create a sketch on. You can do so by clicking on New Sketch and then select the face. After selecting your face to draw your sketch on, it will open the 2D sketch editor. If you used our CAD software for sheet metal designs in the past, this works very similar. To begin drawing shapes, select your desired shape from the Draw menu above, hold left click and drag your mouse to start drawing the path. Release your mouse button to finish the shape. Back in the 3D view, your newly created sketch will be visible, indicated by the red outlines on the face. Now, to modify a sketch, you use the machining tree on the left to find and edit an existing sketch. You can always select New Sketch 2 if needed. Now, to apply an operation to a sketch, back in the 3D viewer, right-click it on the machining tree and select the Operations menu and choose the desired action. Think of the operations as building blocks stacked one after the other to shape your final part. If an operation is disabled, it means that your sketch is not compatible with the operation. The way to look at these two tasks when customizing your part: you create the 2D sketch using the 2D editor, and then you apply the 3D operation from the 3D viewer. So keep your eyes open for another tech tip that specifically focuses on applying operations. That's going to be coming soon. But remember, throughout this process, you'll do instant checks for any manufacturability concerns, as the software is designed with built-in machining constraints. This ensures a smoother workflow, eliminating the need for time-consuming back and forth over design approvals or design for manufacturability changes. Now, to get a quote for your design, simply select Instant Quote under the Quote section and then click Go. You'll be redirected to your My Account page where your quote will appear. Then, if you're satisfied with your quote, you can place your order immediately through My Account. Now remember, once your order is in, we harness the power of high-velocity mass customization to custom manufacture your parts and enclosures in as fast as 2 to 3 days. To download Protocase Designer or ProtoSpace Designer, simply just visit their respective websites at ProtocaseDesigner.com and ProtoSpaceDesigner.com. You'll find links provided in the description below, and additionally, both websites offer the option to book demos, where experts will show you how to use the software effectively. And whether you use Protocase Designer or ProtoSpace Designer, this functionality works virtually exactly the same. And with that, we wrap up this week's Proto Tech Tip. I hope these updates will make your workflow much easier. And in the end, we'll see you again next week with another tech tip. Take care.